This is where the place real dreams are. This is where the moments real person when they try to really speak with the people is really get a block. Where this is where the place really presentation is vanished. But I remember before 1 years ago, there was on one client. Her name is Sarah. Sarah was so educated and geek line. She's so educated by this marketing or marketing management. She has so uneducated. She had a really an ideas that could multiply their business capitalism. But there was one problem to face Sarah when she really present her ideas, when really try to speak them. Her hands really get blocked. Her presence, our bodies really feel frustrated. Then the words are disappear. She really, when she speaks, the people are listening to her, are really get interested, are not get interested by her conversation, so they are ignored. So if you are here, what I want to tell you about this video is obvious, because most people are really frustrated to speak confidently. Most people are really face this problem every day, because public speaking is really the 75% of population in the world that are really challenged about this problem. So you're not alone actually. So this is actually common, but if you're really do it, what I really telling you in this video is solvable. Because I remember really before 1 month ago, let me give you, or I'm going to tell you really a real example stories or examples, because this is so work for me, because I really work at a communicational coaching. Then I was a name Kiwi came from Japan. I think I remember, from he said from Japan, and he really have a good skill, have a good communication. That's a word tell to himself. But he have one day he have a great good meeting with international clients, and when he try to really express your ideas, but during conversation he really get frustrated. He not really perform well during meeting. Then he got really lost a lot of opportunities. Then he really lost a lot of money from that business. So then Kiwi is rebooted and back. Then really train this process. What I'm really going to tell in this video. Then he really make himself popular and really public speakers of the world, because he's so really well known at the time. Because if you really practice what I'm really telling you in this video, it's so possible, because no one is not born with a great destiny. No one is not born with a great capacity. But actually all we have a great destiny, a great capacity. If we are really trained, our mind is really solid, we can really do whatever what we want to share. So stay with me till the end. But at the end of this video, you really can speak well, like a public confident speaker. But a lot of people that really live at videos before they can play them. But if you want to really change, real life change, a real improvement, try to master this problem from, because I don't want to say something is gonna be really important. So let me ask you first one question. Do you really think change or improvement it takes you, or do you really take a practice like take a course or expensive coaching? That was really not a good thing. I just if you really take it, that was a good thing. But in this video, you gotta really everything what you need to really do them. So this start with the end until the end. You got everything what you need to really. By the end of this video, especially the last one, is no one is cannot tell you. So start with me. So in this video or in this YouTube channel, we bring an educational and communicational content as well as motivational sometimes. But if you really want to change in your communication, really subscribe our YouTube channel, because if you want to really came the YouTube so when a real growth, a real improvement, or to watching something meaningful content, subscribe also our YouTube channel, because this is the place where really your communication improve, or you can really build something better things. So let's begin the video. So what are you really thinking about really good communication? What are you really thinking about when you think about what else really comes to your mind when you think about public speaking or confident speaking? But a lot of people, they're really frustrated when they start speaking. So this is also important in your everyday lot of conversation. This is so important your everyday communication, because when you really improve your communication, you can make yourself really better. It can really attract a lot of opportunities to make it really possible. Because when you try or when you improve your communication ability, you really build a good personality, a personality that people respect, a personality that people admire and remember forever. That is also possible if you practice what I'm really telling you in this video, because at least otherwise you fly or you fly with the world. Well, if you really practice what I'm really telling in this video, you can really fly within your communication, but you really figure it out. So change yourself every day as the previous time. You really figure it out or shocked, frustrated when you try to speak. So the first one is that completely really most people understand, or most people they never understand about it, is about a reset mindset. Most people are really thinking about a negative side of everything. When you wake up from a day, when you wake up from your personality, everything is gonna be really important. Because what you really consider everything, that makes your personality, that makes you creative, and everything why you're really possible. Because every personalities, every possible thing is gonna be really through practice. So when we really reset our mindset, when we really change our mindset, we could really do something important. So if you went through, when I say really mindset, most people really started doing something. What I feel, what if I follow, what if I scenarios, what if I really something terrible things happen to me? What if I really did these negative and wrong things? But this is so wrong things. The real failure is about thinking this negative side. The real failure is from this. So the ones who really make something important and really better for benefit and beautiful things, just change something is gonna be really important. So the first thing you need to really do, just take a note. What is your last three conversation or the last few presentations to really prepare? Then update those presentation and make your communication so powerful. Then after you really do that or did it, then make yourself so really important, like take our visualization. When I say visualization, it's not actually about I know that visualization. It is an absolutely, imagine yourself when you speak in public, when you speak in front of 300 people, when you speak to yourself with a confidently. So this is some important, really more than really possible, because this visualization is not actually an overrated, because it's practical. So try to really master this also. And the next one is that completely boost your communication, or that really boost your public speaking. It is not solely build your muscle memory. Building muscle memory is equals to, or building muscle minds is similar like a muscle memory, because when you really train to your mind to having that things, you really make yourself better. Because muscle is not built on overnight. It takes a time, like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. I don't know what time to take to you, but it needs the time to really make it. That is so improve with a consistent and improve ways of repetition. Because if you repeat these things, your muscles really train that things. And train this one is boost your public speaking. The last one is really boost your public speaking. It's just about practice to speak and every day at least 5 times or 5 times per day. When you really speak it, when you really wake up from when you at a lunch, when you really got the bed, or at any time, just speak it for 5 minutes a day. Then really you see huge improvement in your public speaking. Then the last one is in this video is an absolutely boost your public speaking. It is an absolutely, it's all about practicing, repetition and repetition. Repetition, as you know, is a matter of or a father of the skill. Because if you want to really, Communication, everything is what I'm really talking in this YouTube channel is a skill set. Skill set that is everyone can build it, everyone can really do it anytime, everywhere. Because when we train our minds to really build these strings, when we train our minds to really have this system, our minds to really have these things. So to rather master these things over and make your public speaking powerful, more like a real powerful, because these 4 things really proven practicalities, because I just really test as someone and really show a huge improvement at something. So try to master it, and if you are interested about the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and what do you really watch to the next one? What type of video I bring to you to really enjoy it? So drop out the comments and I really make a video on that one. So subscribe our YouTube channel also, and which one would you really prefer to do in your next future? Because if you really practice one at least, you can make your progress so pretty, so powerful, like a real possible. Because repetition, reset your mind and build massive memory. Start speaking with so powerful reading every time. So start doing, then you see the results.